Let's be honest, you've probably seen 1,000 videos telling you to learn a high-income skill like it's a magic spell. But which skills actually pay in 2025? Not the make an Instagram page and hope for the best kind of skills. We're talking real, in-demand digital marketing skills that companies are throwing money at. So if you're broke, tired of 9-to-5s, or just want to flex your laptop lifestyle at Starbucks, listen up. Here are the top 5 digital marketing skills that pay the most in 2025. Coming in hot at number 1 is performance marketing, or what I like to call spending money to make even more money. Whether it's Facebook ads, Google ads, or TikTok ads, companies are obsessed with one thing: return on investment. If you can spend $1 on ads and make them $3 back, you're basically their favorite person ever. The skills you need: data analysis, A/B testing, landing page optimization, and knowing how to write a headline that slaps harder than your mom when you say, "I'm gonna be a YouTuber." This skill can easily get you $60,000 to $120,000 per year, or more, if you freelance or run your own ad agency. Memes aside, performance marketers are printing money. Be one of them. Number 2 is the legendary art of copywriting. Not to be confused with copyright law, unless you want to write your way into a lawsuit. Copywriting is basically salesmanship in text form. It's the reason you clicked on that ad saying, "This one weird trick will make you rich." It's the words on landing pages, email campaigns, product descriptions, and ads that make people say, "Take my money." If you can write in a way that makes people feel seen, understood, and hyped to buy something, they will pay you handsomely. We're talking $50 to $200 per hour as a freelancer, or full-time salaries ranging from $60,000 to 6 figures, easy. The best part? You can do it from your bed wearing a hoodie with last night's pizza beside you. No judgment. Next is search engine optimization, aka SEO. The art of making Google fall in love with your content, one keyword at a time. It's not flashy, it's not sexy, but it works. Businesses know that if they rank at the top of search results, they get free traffic forever. And you, my friend, could be the mastermind behind that. Whether it's on-page optimization, backlink strategy, or technical SEO, this skill is high-paying and high leverage. Expect to make 70K pluses full-time or 2,000 pluses per client as a freelancer. And hey, while everyone else is dancing on TikTok, you'll be silently ranking websites and stacking checks. You thought email was dead? That's cute. Email marketing is the OG skill that still makes bank. Because while social media is busy changing algorithms every week, email stays loyal. It's like that one friend who always shows up, rain or shine. If you know how to write emails that get opened, clicked, and converted, you are a valuable asset. You'll need skills in automation, storytelling, segmentation, and copy that gets results. Average rates? $40 to $150 per email. Yup, per email. Some email marketers make more in one campaign than most people make in a month. Let that sink in. Last but definitely not least, funnel building. A sales funnel is the customer journey, from "who the heck are you" to "shut up and take my money." And if you can design a smooth, persuasive funnel using platforms like ClickFunnels, Kajabi, or Systeme.io, you're golden. This includes landing pages, upsells, email automation, checkout flows, the whole 9 yards. You're basically the digital architect behind a business's entire sales process. Funnel builders charge anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 plus per project. Yes, even if you're wearing Crocs while building it. It's like Lego for adults. But instead of little bricks, you're building money machines. So, there you have it. The top 5 digital marketing skills that pay the most in 2025. Performance marketing, copywriting, SEO, email marketing, and funnel building. These aren't just trends, they're money-making machines. And you don't need a fancy degree or 100K followers to start. You just need skill, consistency, and a touch of Delulu energy.